So I'm gonna try some backwoods engineering here.
It works.
Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Handy Matt. Today I got it is a thrift store find, but it's not a thrift store rescue. But when I test it, it might turn into a rescue. I might find more problems, but right now it doesn't seem like it has much it needs except for a new blade. So this is a Black & Decker Edgehog edger. I grabbed this because I actually need it. So this blade is pretty short, and apparently these holes here are the indicator. They tell you that, hey, once it gets there, it's too short to use. So I got a new one. We're gonna go ahead and throw that on there and take it out along the driveway and test it out and see how well this thing works. Everything seems to be here except for a handle that's supposed to be there. I don't think I need it, so I'm not too worried about it. Go ahead and get this nut off of here. It's on there pretty tight. Maybe I should make this vice grip a little bit tighter. Gone. So let's get this new one out here. Comes with new nuts. Hey, there's something there we should probably clean out. A bit of string or something. Get a pick out here. That can burn up a bearing pretty quickly. Bunch of junk in there. Alright, new nut, new blade, and it says this side out, so we'll put that side out. This up here, it says on the back of the package, this package should be tightened down to 140 foot-pounds. So, get a torque wrench out here. So I'm old school. They're mechanical. Well, I think they're all mechanical, but I got one of these older torque wrenches. So 140 is actually just under the max that this thing can do. I think something's nuts. Something's spinning here. Oh, it's just tighten it up. It's just spinning on there. I got it pretty stinking tight. I only got it up to about 60 or so. Get up. I think that'll be tight enough. All right. Let's go edge the driveway. See how well it works. Right now I got it set on the deepest setting, which is that'd be fine. No, let's go in the middle setting. One and a quarter inches. And I got this thing set lowered for edging. Alright, let's go see what it does. Get a broom. Let's go see how well it did. Probably could have gone down all the way. Well, it works. I can kind of see why that extra handle would have been helpful, but then again, I was one-handing it with the camera in the other hand. But there you go, simple, short, how to change a blade on an edger video. Stick around though for tomorrow. You're gonna like tomorrow's video. Yeah. It's I'm gonna be talking a lot of trash about a company that I won't name, but you guys will know who it is. But it'll be a good video, and it's gonna save you some money too, and a lot of heartache if you watch every step of this next video as I go through it. Yeah, make sure you tune in tomorrow. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Best way to support this channel is to share this video, hit the like and subscribe button, all that good stuff. I'll see you next time. Laters.